Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to GitHub tutorial for beginner. In this tutorial, we're going to learn everything about GitHub. So first of all, we're going to see how we can upload any project to GitHub using command line. Then I'm going to show you, let's say if you make changes in your project and you want to update those changes in the GitHub as well, I'm going to show you how we can do it. Then I'm going to show you how you can create a new branch on GitHub and upload the project, and also how you can delete the branch as well. At the end, we're going to see how we can pull any project from GitHub to Visual Studio Code. I will show you everything step by step from the very beginning. So let's get started. In this part of this video, we are going to upload our project to the GitHub. So in order to upload the project to the GitHub, obviously we need to have a GitHub account. So let me just search over here GitHub. Just go to Google and search for GitHub and you will see this github.com. Click on it. Then if you are not already signed up, then you need to click on sign up. Then fill those details, email address, password, username, your country, and click on continue. It will create your GitHub account. If you already have a GitHub account, then just go back and here you can see sign in option. I will click on sign in, and here we just need to give our email address and the password to sign into the GitHub dashboard. So I'll just give my GitHub email address and my GitHub password here. Then click on sign in, and also click on sign in. It will take us to the GitHub dashboard.
So first of all, you need to log into your GitHub account. Then you need to go to your dashboard, and once you go to the dashboard, you will see this top repositories and this new button. Just click on this new button. Then it will take you to this page, and here you can see repository name. So you need to give a name. Let's say here practice_upload, and there you can see the name is available. After that, we'll make it public. We'll check this at a readme file and then click here create repository, and there you can see repository is created. So right now we're going to upload our project using command line. So right now, in order to upload the project to the repository using command line, first of all what you need is that you need to have Git installed in your device. So just go to Google or any browser, then search for Git download, and here you can see we have this gitscm.com. Just go to this link, and here you will see latest source release download for Windows. You will also see a download option for Mac OS and also for Linux as well. So in order to upload the project to the GitHub using command line, you must have Git installed in your device. The download system or installation system is really simple. So you can just download it from here. So I'll just assume that you already have Git installed. So once you install Git, just go to your folder, a project folder that you want to upload to the GitHub repository. So this is the folder or project I want to upload to the GitHub. So I just need to go inside. Then I need to just click here on this project directory of project location. Here you can see HTML tutorial. After that, if I now click on show more option, it will show me this option. Here you can see open Git bash here. If I now click on it, a Git bash will open here. Let me just zoom in. And here you can see at the top we are able to see our project location. Here you can see HTML tutorial and HTML tutorial. So right now, first of all, we need to initialize our Git to the project directory. So we need to say here Git init, then press enter. So it will initialize a Git repository for this. So after that, we need to say here Git add space start and press enter. Then we need to give a message. So we need to say here Git commit -m, then do double quotation or single quotation. Let's say here my first upload. So here we are just giving a message when we are uploading something to the GitHub repository, and this is required. Okay, you cannot skip this part. So if we now press enter, there it will show us the file and folder. Here you can see the file and folder name. I mean the file name here, we do not have any folder. So after this, we need to say here git remote add origin. Then we need to mention our GitHub repository link. So how can we get the GitHub repository link? For it, we just need to go to our GitHub, and here you can see that in this practice upload repository, we have this code button. If we now click on code, it will show us something like this. So there you can see we need to copy this, or you can just click here and it will be copied. So after copying this, we need to go back to our Git command line, and then we need to paste it here. So let me just make it a little bit bigger. So here we need to write git remote add origin, then our GitHub repository link here. Then we can just press enter. After that, we just need to write one more command in order to upload this project to the GitHub, and that is git push -u. Then we say here origin master. And if we now press enter, there you can see it is uploaded to our GitHub. And it is done. So right now, if we just go to our GitHub, there you can see master has a recent pushes 4 seconds ago. There you can see in the main there is nothing, and we need to refresh here. If we just refresh, there you can see in the main there is nothing, but if we click on main, there you can see we have one more branch over here called master. So if we now click on master, there you can see we have 2 files over here, which is index.html and another one is image.jpg. And if we just click on it, it will show us the image. And let me just show you the image in the folder. Let me just zoom in. Here you can see the image over here, which is exactly this one. So this is how you can upload your project to the GitHub using command line. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can update your existing GitHub repository. So I have uploaded a project in my GitHub repo. Here you can see image on and index.html, and which is basically this one. Here you can see image on and index.html. So let's say I have made some changes and I want to push those updates to my Git repo. So how can we do it? This is really simple. So first of all, let me just add a file over here. Let's just add a text file here. In that text file, let's say here hello, and inside it, inside this text file, we are going to say hello. So let's just save this and close it. And here you can see index.html. Let's also make some changes in our code as well. So I'm going to open it using let's say Visual Studio Code, and let me just go down. Let me just copy this div, and I'm going to just paste this again over here, then save it, and let's close this. So we have made some changes over here in this project. So we are going to push those changes in our Git repository. So for it, what you need to do is simple. Let me just right click here and open the Git bash. Here you can see open Git bash here. After that, let me just zoom in. So here, first of all, what we are going to write is we are going to say here git init. Then it is already initialized. So here you can see reinitializing. After that, we are going to say git add space then a dot, press enter. Then here we need to leave a message. So we are going to say here git commit -m. Let's say we have added a new file. Let's say added new file. So you just say this, then press enter. So right now we are going to push those changes to the Git repo. So for it, we need to say here git push origin then master, then press enter. And there you can see the project is uploaded to the GitHub. So right now, if we just go to our GitHub, and there you can see there has been changes 4 seconds ago in the master branch. There you can see in the master branch. So if you now just refresh here, there you can see we have a new file called hello.txt. If you just click on it, here you can see it says hello. Let me just go back, and here you can see compare and pull request. If we click on it, it will show us where we made the changes. Here you can see we have added a extra div in our code, and it is showing us here. So this is how you can update your existing Git repository. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a new branch in GitHub repository. So this is really simple. So first of all, let me just go to my folder from where I just uploaded those files to my this repository. So we're going to create a branch over here, and this our branch name will be my new branch. So let's go back to our project location. So right now we're just going to click here, then click show more option and click here open Git bash here. There you can see. So let me just make it bigger and let me zoom in. So first of all, we're going to set here Git branch, then press enter. There you can see there is only one branch, which is master. So we're going to create a new branch. So in order to create a new branch, we need to set here Git branch -c. After that, we need to give our branch name. Yes, our branch name will be my_new_branch. And if we press enter, there you can see this command is done. But if we just refresh our GitHub, you won't see any other branch here. So you will only see the new branch when you comment something in that branch. So let's just go back. So here, first of all, we need to select this branch, my new branch, is from the master branch. So in order to select this branch, we need to say git checkout, then our branch name, which is my new branch. Then press enter. There you can see switch to branch, my new branch, and it is also written here, my new branch. So if we just send here git branch, press enter, there you can see my new branch is selected. So let's say we want to upload something to our new branch. So let me just add a onboard text file here. Let me just click here new, then text document. Let's say new file .txt. So let's commit those changes in our new branch. So in order to make changes in the new branch, first of all, we need to say git add space dot, then press enter. Then we need to set here git commit -m and a message. We need to write a message. Oh, new update just arrived. This is just a message, and if we now press enter, it will show that we have just changes on file here. After that, in order to push those changes, we need to say git push origin head. Then press enter, and our push is complete in the new branch. So right now, if we just go to our GitHub, there you can see my new branch had recent pushes 3 seconds ago. If we just refresh and click here, there you can see we have onboard branch. If we just select that branch, there you can see we have some files and also new file.txt, which we just added right now. So this is how you can add new branch and push code to the new branch. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete a branch from GitHub. So here you can see I have a branch called my new branch, and I want to delete this branch. So for it, let me just go to my folder, and here this is the file that I just uploaded in this branch, and I want to delete this branch. So for it, first of all, what we need to do is you need to right click here, then click show more option and open the Git bash here. Let me just zoom in here, and there you can see it is saying here my new branch. So here, if we just say git branch and press enter, then you can see it is selected my new branch. So right now, in order to delete this branch, first of all, we need to select a different branch. So we are going to select this master branch. So we need to say here git checkout, then we need to mention this branch name, which is master. So let me say here master and press enter, and there you can see switch to branch master. So right now we have selected the master branch, so we will be able to delete our this branch. You cannot stay on the same branch and delete that branch. Okay, so right now in order to delete this branch, my new branch, we need to write this command, which is git push origin dash delete, then our branch name, which is my_new_branch. So if we say my_new_branch, then press enter, there you can see deleted my new branch. So right now, if we just go back to our GitHub, and if we just refresh here, there you can see 404page.com. Let me just go to the code. I'm in our repository, and if we now click on main, there you can see there is only too much available here. So this is how you can delete browse in GitHub.
Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can pull GitHub project directly to your Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to pull this project from GitHub to Visual Studio Code directly. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have Git installed in your device and you also have a GitHub add-on. After that, just simply open your Visual Studio Code and here you can see we have this extensions. Click on extensions and here you need to search for Git pull request, which is this one. Here you can see Git pull request. So here you just simply need to click on install or just click here. It will show you this option and you can just click on install. There you can see it is installing and the installation is successful. After that, we can just simply close this, and also if you just click on this extension, it will be closed. And right now here at the bottom, you will see this manage option. Click on it and then here you can see command plate. Click on command plate. It will open something like this and here you need to search for GitHub clone and it will show you this Git clone. Just press enter for the first one and it will be installed. Right now here you can see clone from GitHub. So here we need to provide the repository URL. So right now we just simply go to our repository and we need to copy the repository link. So just go at the top and here you will get a link. Just copy this, then go back to your Visual Studio Code and let's go and open the command plate again. Click on this setting, then click on command plate. Here you can see Git clone. Just click on Git clone and you will see option to put the URL. Paste the URL and then press enter. Then I'm going to choose the desktop to pull the GitHub project. So I just click on desktop and click on select as repository destination. There you can see it is currently downloading the project. And would you like to open the clone repository? We are going to click here, open, and there you can see it opened the project. And if we now just go to our desktop, there you can see we have a template called portal template, which is basically this one. And we can also just go inside. If we go inside, there you can see there is the HTML file here. So this is how you can directly pull GitHub project from the GitHub to Visual Studio Code. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you still have any question or any problem, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to give you reply as soon as possible. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.